Hey, it's Angeline here. I have a Christmas rainbow colorful card for you today, and I'm going to show you how to make this card. So first, I'm grabbing the Brutus Monroe background stamp here called Freshly Cut. I love this stamp because look at it. It is huge. It fills up an entire A2 size card easily without no problem at all. So before I emboss, I'm going to use my powder tool here from EK Success and just powder my entire cardstock here. This is to remove static so that your embossing powder will only stick to where you want it to stick. Then I'm grabbing the Wassermark embossing ink here to ink up the entire stamp. Just be generous and just ink it up well. Then I'm grabbing my piece of cardstock and just laying it right on top of the stamp. Then grabbing a scrap piece of paper and just making sure everything is nicely pressed in. Then I am grabbing some Stamp and Bond embossing powder here, which is kind of like a sticky embossing powder. And I'm just putting it all over my card, ensuring everything is nicely covered with the embossing powder. This embossing powder will actually dry sticky so that your foil will adhere to it. Then use your heat tool and just heat up the powder to activate it. Next, I am grabbing my mini Mink machine by Heidi Swapp and some Deco Foil rainbow shattered foil here, and just cutting it into size to put it right on top of my card, pretty side up, and just running it through my Mink machine. When it is done, it is time to peel and reveal. And ta-da! I kind of made a boo-boo here. As you can see, my foil got into more than where I want it to be. And to be honest, I almost trashed this card because, oh my gosh. But after looking at it more and more, I love how it turned out because I could actually see the rainbow shaded foil clearer and more vibrant. So don't trash your mess, but just keep it because everything is an art. Thanks for watching. Bye.